Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another protective style video. And without further blabbering on, we're just gonna get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm starting on semi-damp hair and I'm really just showing you how my hair looks when it's in that state. I also went ahead and parted my hair ahead of time. And then I'm going in with the Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner just to moisturize my hair before I sleek it into one. And so I'm really just making sure that I fully saturate my entire hair with the leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going in with the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Oil. You guys know how I feel about this oil. This oil is really good. So I'm just taking that and putting that all over my hair because again, this oil has biotin and rosemary mint. And this oil is supposed to protect your hair and help you to prevent split ends. Now I'm going in with my detangle brush just to further straighten the hair a little bit more and to help get it in a more sleek one. And then once I'm done detangling, I'm going to go in with my regular bristle brush. And I'm now starting to brush my hair down to get it into that sleek one that I'm going for. Okay, now I'm just showing you a back view of how it looks when I'm sleeking my hair into one. This section normally takes me a little while, mostly because I can't really see the back, and so I'm just really trying to make sure that I don't have any clumps and that it goes into a really perfect or almost perfect sleek one. Now that I'm finally satisfied with the way the back feels, I'm now going in to finally put my hair in one with my Goody hair tie. You can see this Goody hair tie is pretty big, so I'm gonna just loop it around 2 times, and then I'm going to tie this hair tie around my hair twice, and that'll give it a pretty good hold. Again, with the Mielle Organic products, I'm going in with the Moisture RX hair gel, and I'm really just taking a pretty decent size amount, and I'm going to put it all over my hair just to sleek it down a little bit more and to control the flyaways. Now I'm just trying to decide if I should moisturize the end of my hair again, which is what I'm about to do in any event. One key tip when you're getting ready to prepare to band, you want to make sure that your ponytail is thoroughly detangled so that when your hair is in the bands and it's stretching, your hair is detangled and not free. Starting to band, you really want to space it out as evenly as you can get it. right here is where you see that I messed up a bit. I spaced this one a little too far apart, but it's not that noticeable in the end. You'll see. I do want to mention that the goodie ties that I'm using are just all elastics. They don't have any metals in them. I don't really advise that you get the ones with the metal because then they tend to snag your hair. This hairstyle is a really cute way to stretch your hair, and the best part about it is that you can wear it for a few days as a low manipulation style or as a protective style, which is what we'll be doing. Once you're at the very end and you run out of room to band, you have two options. You can either take another goodie tie and you can just secure the very end of your hair, or you can do what I did here, and I just took some gel and I decided to finger coil that little piece, which once it dries results in a beautiful little finger coil. This is pretty much the end, guys. This is literally how I do my banding methods. I really don't use this method to stretch my hair, if I'm being honest. I really do this as a cute low manipulation hairstyle. But again, it can be used to stretch your hair. If you have to go somewhere and you really want to stretch your hair, this would be the perfect go-to.